Hi guys, welcome back to Glam Studio. I am Davi, makeup expert at My Glam, and she is my fellow makeup expert and model, Ruchita.
Hello.
Today the session is all about, we are here with another session of how to glam at My Glam, and the session is about a new eye look which we'll be creating with our new coming product, which is Powder Magic. And it's a very nice eyeshadow in a powder form. And I'm going to show you how you can easily recreate this look at your home also. So we'll be starting with the look. I've already done her base a little. I'm going to touch up that base and then I'm going to fix it with our Glow to Glamour powder. And then we'll move on to eyes. And in case if you guys have any queries and questions, we will be keeping it very interactive. You can ask us. We'll be answering your all the questions here. So I'm touching up her base with our Total Makeover FF Cream in shade Dusky for Ruchita. Ruchita, do you have to say anything, like you want to say anything about this product? Because I am in love with this product.
So basically the Total Makeover FF Cream that we have at My Glam has a really nice orange corrector. Then it has a yellow brightener, and then it has this nice 3 tones, which is a light, a medium and a dusky. So it's mainly a cream based foundation which works really well for dry skin, also for all skin types. If you have oily skin, you can still use it and just set it with a nice Glow to Glamour powder that we have.
And you know, the best part I feel about this foundation is it is very much adaptable to your skin, and I'm going to use this beautiful blender which we have. I'm just going to push the product so that it is not deposited in the line, and keep looking up, and then I'm going to blend it with this beauty blender, and then I'm going to powder it. So this look is going to be very easy. People who are not really familiar with makeup can also do it, and all the range of My Glam is very effortless. Like the makeup look you can create with My Glam is going to be very effortless for you. You don't have to spend so much of time, you don't have to really put so much of product, Since Ruchita is also makeup expert, her techniques and my techniques are like quite similar, but still every makeup expert has different techniques. But I think she's gonna also agree to this thing. When using a Powder Magic, it's gonna be very easy for every individual. So now before moving to eyes, I'm gonna use little bronzer, blush and highlighter from our Chisel It palette. So that's gonna define her face more. So I'm doing contouring with the bronzer from My Glam Chisel It palette, which is in shade Game Face. And she's got really already defined face, so I don't have to do very sharp contouring. And using a powder contour is very easy for everyone. Like even if you don't know how to do makeup, if you do powder contour, it's not gonna, make it look bad or something. It's gonna be very easy for you. Now I'm using blush. Nice pinkish mauvish shade which we have in this palette, and I really like it. So I see a little product here, I'm gonna blend it.
Coming to blushes, a lot of people, mainly dusky skin tones, have a query that will pink blush on really suit them or not. So the one which we have in the Chisel It palette, it's really nice. It's already on my face, you can see it. It's a pink, but it's not too much. It looks very natural. We have a nice peach as well, which goes for all skin tones again. So you can easily try it. I'm in love with this pink. I tried it for the first time.
Now I'm going to put some highlighter, which is in like rose gold shade in Chisel It palette, and which is really good for brown skin. So you need to put on your high points of your face, and to make it very simple, high points of your face are when you stand under the light, where light reflects the first. Like if you're standing in the sun, under the sun, light will reflect on your cheekbones, on bridge of your nose, and this is your cupid's bow, on chin and little on the forehead. So those are the high points where you need to put highlighter. Right now I've just put on the cheekbones. Now I'm moving to nose, and I'm going to put little on the cupid's bow and chin. I'm going to dust a little on the forehead. Now her base is complete. Now I'm going to move to eyes. I'm going to use primer from our All I Need palette first. So It's really important, whatever eye makeup you do, you need to prime your eyes, you need to prepare a base for your makeup. So I'm just gonna put some primer on the lid. What primer actually does, it's gonna long last your makeup, it's gonna, you know, get the true tone of the color and also protect your lids. And the primer which we have has a very nice ingredient, which is rare sea plant extract, which lets your skin breathe through the primer and the makeup also. So you can put it with your finger also, or you can use any brush, or you get an applicator with a palette, you can use that applicator also. Just spread it all over your lid. And the look which we are creating is ombre eyes using 2R Powder Magic. So the shade which I am using, 2 shades which I have picked up to create an ombre eyes is, one is like nice brown shade and the other one is very like pretty golden shade. So I'm gonna use it. Ombre is actually, it's a technique wherein 2 colors are merging into each other. So it's like a gradient. So the 2 colors should be of the same tone. So it's like brown and gold. I'm gonna use it. Now I'm gonna use it directly on her lids after priming. I'm gonna use the darkest color on the outer corner of the eyes, which you can also easily do. It's a very simple and easy technique which anyone can recreate. So you guys can see. So I'm just putting a darker color on the outer corner. So you can use orange corrector if you have like darkness also, and the deep crease, you mean that the crease which is like under the eye, when something is like, you know, inside, you need to use lighter color to bring it out. So you need to use lighter color or highlighter like yellow corrector, which is there in our palette also. You can use that yellow corrector and put on the crease and then blend it. That part of your eye is gonna come out. So it's gonna look nice. That's how you can just cover it up. So your smoky eye is gonna become easy with this Powder Magic. Anyone and everyone can achieve this. And always you should place a darker color on the outer corner of the lid and then lighter color in the inner corner of the lid. So I'm just blending with the brush which has no product. Now I'm going to use the lighter color, which is in shade golden, like a nice pretty golden, and putting it from the inner corner till the mid of the lid. It's a very basic look, like you can also easily recreate it at your home. Kept it very, like you have to blend the 2 colors into each other so that you don't see any sharp line and you don't see different colors. It should be one color merging into another color. So that's how ombre is. I'm keeping it very simple so that anyone can easily recreate it. I'm not doing too much. Now I'm gonna top it up with our new liner, which is also gonna launch soon, which is World's Thinnest Liner Wheelie. So it has a nice wheel as a tip on the brush. Like it's not brush, it's just a wheel on the tip. I'm gonna use this now to make a nice thin liner. See how thin you can create a liner. People were struggling for a thin liner. Even if you buy a brush or a tip, you will never get this thin liner. And it's like very easy to apply in one stroke. You can create like the thin line with this liner. I'm just loving this product. So now I'm gonna use a highlighter from our All I Need palette just to highlight our inner corner and the brow bone with our shader brush. And finally, to complete this look, I'm going to use Brow Definer, which is a Star product. This is high definition brow powder, which is in shade brown and goes with all skin types. Which is the best product? Like, which product do you like the most?
The one which you are using right now, and that liner which you just showed, the Wheelie. I'm very much amused. I really want to check that out.
wheatish to medium skin, then you can pick up any one. But if you like a nice golden brown highlighter, then you can pick up Game Face palette, which has nice rose gold highlighter and a peachish like this mauvish pink blush and a nice light bronzer, which is gonna give you very soft contouring.
This brow powder that I'm using for me, it is a duo product, right?
Yeah, it has a liner on the other side, which is again very nice jet black liner, and it turns to matte after 30-40 seconds once you apply it. So it gives you nice matte black gel finished liner look. You don't have to carry so many products. You just carry one duo and you have a liner also, you have a brow definer also. And you know what, I use this powder, brow powder, as eyeshadow also, as eyeshadow at times. Like if I have My Glam products in my bag, I can create as many looks as I want with just few products, because the kind of products they have are multifunctional. It's not only one product always. It's more than one.
Can you do that for me right away with that brow powder, just like a...
Of course. Yeah. I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna use this color, like just gonna define, look down, just gonna put little brow definer to intensify the corner. And when you use a darker color in the outer corner, it defines your eyes more.
So lovely, thanks for the trick, lovely. So nice.
I hope you're gonna use it.
I will. I depend on you.
Anytime. So I'm gonna take another. It just adds more depth when you put little darker color in the corner of the eye, like outer corner, and make it look more intense. Just blend it with the brush. And yes. And just to complete, I'm gonna put some kajal on the waterline. Look up. So Ashna, you need to prep your skin well first before you apply your makeup. You need to cleanse it. Then you need to use toner to close your pores so that you don't sweat a lot. After that, when you apply moisturizer and primer and then you put makeup, your makeup will last for longer. You'll not sweat if you'll prep your skin well. And even if you think that after even applying makeup you can use, like you're gonna sweat, you can use this Glow to Glamour powder. Use this translucent powder all over your face and fix your base. I'm sure you will not have any complaint of sweating. And then also I'm gonna give you a nice hack. When you want to fix your makeup, you can use any rose water just to fix it. So after you complete your makeup, just use a rose water to fix your base. And then you will not sweat, your makeup will last for longer, your all problems will be sorted. So now I'm using this Threesome Mascara of My Glam. So which gives you volume, which lengthens your lashes, which curls your lashes. Ruchita already has very nice long lashes. So this mascara is gonna be like cherry on the cake. So when you apply your mascara yourself, how you need to apply, you just chin up your face, like just tilt your face little up and look in the mirror and then apply, wiggle in your lashes. Like the way I'm wiggling, just like a toothbrush. How do you do your toothbrush? That's the right technique of applying mascara. You shouldn't just do this, you should always wiggle. Now the mascara is on the lid. I'll tell you how to get rid of that mascara. Whenever it's just spreads, or it just spreads any part of your face where you don't want it, you just wait for some time, let it dry, and then just take a Q-tip or a spoolie brush and just take it off. It's gonna come off very easily. Chitra, you've got really pretty lashes.
I don't need fake lashes anymore, man. It's so nice.
Yeah, it's gonna, it's something you will never feel like wearing any fake lashes, false lashes. How easy it is to take it off. And the best part of this mascara, it has a tubing technique which you will not have any complaint of taking off mascara, making your eyes black when you remove your makeup. You just have to peel it off from your lashes and it's gonna come off very easily. And now to complete the look, I'm gonna use our Perfect Curve lipstick. I'm gonna use shade Debutante for her. Since the eyes are like bright, I'm gonna use very nice pink. This is the brush to define it. From our perfect curves brush, I'm gonna define it. So I am in love with this product. We are coming up with the 4 shades in this Powder Magic, and you can soon go to our website, pick up this amazing product which is going to launch, which is going to simplify your life and make it like very easy for you to achieve nice smoky eye. And we are launching with 4 different shades. I think brown, and one is mauvish, one is aqua blue shade, and one is golden. So it's gonna launch soon, and you can go to our website, check out the products, and you can pick up easily. And this is our final look, which is completed with our amazing product Powder Magic and Ombre Eyes. So hope you like the look. If you have any queries and doubts, you can, if you want to learn anything new, you can also comment that in the comment box below. You can tell us what you want to see again, and hope you guys like this look. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned.